What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a Toyota Prius Prime. We're going to be installing another PA2 power amplifier to this vehicle. This amplifier is a plug-and-play install to this Toyota Prius, and it fits nicely behind the radio. There's a lot of room back there, and it's super easy to install. Probably takes about 20 minutes to do the full installation. In addition to the installation, I'll show you the before and after to show you how much difference it makes. So let's get in the car and get started. Alright guys, so now that we're in the car, the first thing we're going to do is going to remove this panel here. Just use a panel removal tool and slide it under here, and then we're just going to pry it out like so. Alright. And then next, we're going to look down in here, and there's a clip that we need to remove. So you could either use a panel removal tool or maybe even a flathead screwdriver. Alright, next step, we're going to go ahead and remove this. Basically, use a panel removal tool like so. I carefully pry this out. Okay, it's going to be a little plastic tab here that's going to have to be removed. Okay, there it is. All right, so to remove this, there's a little tab that's pushing in here. So you do have to, if you push this tab down, it does release this downwards. So go ahead and just focus on these two little tabs here. Just push it down, and then it'll give you enough opening to pull the top piece out. So once we do this, there's gonna be some 10mm bolts that we're gonna remove down there. There's two of them. So go ahead and remove the 10mm bolt here using a 10mm socket with an extension. Okay. Alright, we got another one here. Okay, once that is out, go ahead and pull it out towards you, and go ahead and lay a thick towel here to ensure they don't scratch your shift knob and interior. Alright. Okay, so once the radio's out, let's go ahead and grab our amplifier. Okay, we're going to grab our harness, and we are going to connect it behind the radio first. So if you look at this harness, the part they're going to connect are these over here. Just two connectors. It's going to be this and this right here. So go ahead and push down the release tab and pull out. And I'm going to do one for this as well. Just push down the release tab and then pull out. Okay? And then just go ahead and daisy chain our harness. And then the other side of our harness will connect to the radio. Like so. Alright. And then let's go ahead and ground our wire. So it's gonna ground it to the side over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and ground it right here. I'm gonna go tying this back up. All right. Okay, so that part is done. Now let's go ahead and connect our amp. And before I wrap this up in some foam tape and put it back in, let's do a test to see how it sounds and see if we need to adjust the gain. So let me go ahead and set this back temporarily. Alright, so we just tested it and make sure everything is working good as it should, and we found out the max gain sounds the best on this Prius Prime without JBL. So go ahead and leave it at the max gain. We're gonna wrap it up with some insulation tape around the edges and then just tuck it in the back. There's plenty of room behind the radio. Just want to make sure it doesn't make any sound once it is installed. So let me go ahead and do that now. Alright, so we went ahead and wrap this. Let's pull this radio out one more time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this behind the radio. There's plenty of room back there. You want to place it in a location where it won't move around, make noises. All right. All right, now let me go ahead and just reverse order everything I just did. There it is. Alright guys, well that concludes our installation, demonstration, and before and after of our PA2 power amplifier on this Toyota Prius Prime. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.